ASIM code, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn how to use aggregations in pandas with a data frame. Import pandas library. Create a sample data frame. This data frame contains sales data for products in different regions across multiple months. Create a data frame using the sample data. Basic aggregation. Sum of sales for each product. Group by product, column and calculate the total sales, sum. Multiple aggregation functions, sum, mean, and count of sales. Group by product and apply multiple aggregation functions. Aggregation with custom function. Group by region and apply a custom aggregation function, e.g., sum of sales minus 10. Aggregation with multiple columns. Group by product and month, then calculate the sum of sales. Aggregation with reset index to return a data frame instead of series. Print the results of aggregations. Print sum of sales by product. Print multiple aggregation results for sales by product. Print custom aggregation, sum of sales minus 10, by region. Print sales by product and month. Print sales by product and month with reset index. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.